What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at another GoPro quick tip. So if you've ever had issues connecting your GoPro to your phone using Wi-Fi when you have to connect to the app, well, I have too. And to be completely honest, there is one method that I have always used to fix this issue, and that method is basically resetting your GoPro's Wi-Fi as well as changing the GoPro Wi-Fi password. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. One of the easiest way to do this is to basically turn on your GoPro and swipe down to your dashboard. The next step is to swipe left and you're going to see your connections as well as your preferences. You're going to tap on connections next and scroll all the way down until you can see reset all connections. You want to tap this icon and wait for your GoPro to fully reset. Now you want to turn on your GoPro, try and reconnect it to the app on your phone, and it should work just fine because your Wi-Fi password as well as your Wi-Fi name on your GoPro has been completely reset. So it's going to be an all new Wi-Fi connection that's going to be established between both your devices. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just another GoPro quick tip. I'm Nitin Chawla. I love my GoPros and there are going to be a lot more quick tips on this channel for GoPro users. Stay tuned for more. See you next time. Peace.